Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a spotlight effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to click on the elements and here we are just going to search for a woman image. Okay, we are into this. Now we are going to photos and here you can select any of the woman image that you like. You can also upload your image as well, right? So it's not necessary to use the same image. I'm just using the royalty free image because I don't want to upload my image, right? For example, let me choose this one. Right now I will click on triple dot, set this image as background, or we can search for some another image as well, right? Okay, we are scrolling down, right? Let's choose this one and then click on triple dot, replace image as background, right? You can also bring it down, right? Now what we are going to do next is we have selected this image, clicked on edit image, and here in the image we need to reduce the brightness, so I've clicked on adjust and we have simply reduced its brightness. Okay, now we are going to the elements and here we are just going to search for neon circle, right? Okay, we are into neon circle. We have clicked on all neon circle. Let me type completely and here you will find some good neon circles, right? So whatever the neon circle you like the most, you can simply add it, right? For example, I have just chosen this, right? Now we are going to add one more page and here we are going back to the elements and here we are going to upload the same image, set this image as background, right? Okay, let's detach this image from background again and set this image as background, right? We need to change the position of our spotlight. Okay, now we are going to download this second image, so I have clicked on download and in the selected pages we have selected the current page and clicked on download. Okay, the image has been downloaded. Now we are going back to the elements and here search for frame and we have selected this frame and we will increase the size of frame so that it gets fitted inside our spotlight, right? The neon circle. So what are you going to do? I'm going to create a good effect, my dear friend. Now we are going to click on uploads, then upload file, and we will upload the downloaded file, right, with full brightness. Okay, it's getting downloaded. We have simply selected this image, then added it over here. Now we will increase its size as per the template size, right, so that it gets set it perfectly. Okay, so in this manner you can simply create a spotlight effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.